super excited to be here. We're going to be celebrating Korean food and with a cook-off.
I want to have a few words from a President Min-ho Kim, who is a president of AT Center Los Angeles, and then who is the one made everything possible this event.
I hope today's cook-off will be an opportunity for K-food to be used more in various dishes in the future.
Please enjoy the cook-off, which I'm really excited to be a part of and to judge.
Let's get this started.
Count in?
Yeah, counting on in. 3, 2, 1, go! Do you say you're a lover of spice?
Yeah, I love spicy food.
I'll bring some ghost peppers.
I'll just take a bite from it.
Well, that looks really good. If you zoom on in, like those burgers.
They're very flavorful, definitely.
Very, oh my goodness. And back to Dan. What's going on here, sir?
I'm just making rice patty, crispy rice.
Oh, okay.
So this is my kimchi Poseidon waffle. It has some shrimp and cockles inside of it. And then I made a samjang on the side and served it with a little makgeolli.
I always love samjang, so that's a great little touch. It adds a little spice and a little extra saltiness, which is really nice.
Kimchi's nice there. I think maybe like a little bit of a condiment would have been nicer to kind of bring some of this stuff together. But other than that, I really like it.
I saw you, I'm a sauce guy, so you just poured sauce all over that. I wanted to grab your hand and steal your boat.
Third winner of 2022 K-Food Lover Cook-Off winner is K-Mush KS Roll by Dong-hyun Kim. The second winner of the K-Food Lover Cook-Off of 2022 is KBB by Letitia James. That actually automatically make a kimchi potato waffle by Hector by the winner.